Hello friends, let's get our hands dirty with a little advanced feature of Excel, that is advanced Excel filter, and we are going to create advanced Excel filter just like Google search engine. The number of characters you type, you see different kind of results. I have a data set which I am going to use as a master data set, and I am going to apply a filter on the basis of characters of cities just like Bangalore, Pune, New Delhi. Okay, first I'm going to go where I'm going to apply this filter. Firstly, I will be needing a search engine search bar. For search bar, I am going to go to developer tab, control group, insert, insert a text box. We have applied it, and I'll click right properties, and I'll link this cell with cell 3 C3. Enter. Now the search bar is ready, right? And again, here we are going to get our results. We'll apply the formula filter, and I am going to use this whole range, and in this range I am going to find some characters. For finding some characters, we are again going to use some array function called left, and from left I am going to use the cities, as we are going to apply filter on cities. And how can we apply the filter on characters? Again, the length function, right? And what will be the length of characters which will be searchable? I'm going to use the cell we have actually linked in the text box, C3. Close bracket, and I'll close the bracket for left cell also. And here we are going to give a condition that whenever the length or the left side number of characters coming in left side equals to cell C3, close bracket, and press enter. You see it? I click here out of the design mode, obviously, and I'll type B. You're able to see that. And if I type B, it's going to filter Bangalore. If I type N, it is going to filter New Delhi. So that's how you can create the filter on the basis of characters. Let's see if it shows other results also. Let's try to change it to Pakistan from Pune, if Pakistan is coming or not. I'll click here, plus P, and see Pakistan is also coming in it. And if I type A, only one result with PA. So this is advanced filter for you guys. Thank you so much.